Welcome back friends in the second episode of Preposition. I already made a video on simple preposition. Today I will talk about compound preposition. What are compound prepositions? Compound prepositions consisting of two or more words. See some examples below. A cause the, because of, a côté de, next to, beside, a droit de, on the right of, a gauche de, on the left of, a force de, by dint of, as a result of, à la fin de, at the end of, exception de, except for, à l'extérieur de, outside, à l'instar de, following the example of, à l'insu de, unknown to, without the knowledge of, à extérieur de, inside, à part, except for, à partir de, from, onwards, starting, à propos de, about, regarding, on the subject of, à travers, across, through, à bout de, by, alongside, on the blink of, on the verge of, au coin de, at the corner of, au bout de, after, at the end of, au cours de, in the course of, during, au dessous de, below, underneath, au dessous de, above, over, au fond de, at the bottom of, at the end of, au lieu de, instead of, au long de, throughout, au milieu de, in the middle of, au moyen de, by means of, au north de, north of, au sud de, south of. I am stopping this video here, otherwise video will be too long. Rest of the compound preposition I will cover in my next video. Till keep practicing. Au revoir. Merci. Bye bye friends.